8th of January from these two premises in the raid, and all whatever was taken into possession has been taken away by Mamata Banerjee.
This is in consonance.
So it says that nothing was seized from the premises.
By the ED, by the ED.
We are not able to.
By ED, only to assist your lordship.
And everything was taken away by Mamata Banerjee.
Yes, this is the search and seizure.
The punch number also says that nothing was seized.
Yes,
Record that
Yes.
yes.
I am appearing on behalf of the chairperson of the All India Trinamool Congress, Mamata Banerjee, not the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. She is the chairperson of. They have wrongly.
In which matter my learned friend is appearing?
What is
Sorry,
that?
which matter are you
Please
appearing
don't
in?
interfere.
I want to know which matter
don't
you are appearing.
interfere.
I'm not interfering, I'm only asking.
কি গো, সব সময়তে
Patience. Patience.
I should know which matter. Is there a matter pending?
See,
No, you won't make a wrong statement.
I said
Therefore,
it
I
is
am
not in my
respectfully
possession.
requesting.
It is not in
Now,
my
please
possession.
don't interrupt me, Mr. Raju. I didn't interrupt you. I heard you. Now, please don't interrupt me.
Something, yes.
So, the first thing I want to say is please record that statement. The second thing I want to say is our petition was of a very limited nature, that of protecting personal political data which is relevant to a well-established political party that ED may have seized. That is the width of it, and that is protected by Puttuswamy. That is the second. It's para 11 of our petition. I'm not going to read the petition. It's been read to my lady too many times today for such a short petition. I imagine what would have happened if Keshavananda's petition was read and reread in this fashion. But be that as it may. Point 3, and I want to make this point. It is inappropriate and unbecoming to bully a political party which has filed a petition at the time when it believed that personal data of that political party relevant to the upcoming assembly elections was being housed by their political strategists, not of yesterday or day before, but for the past 6 years. It is a well-founded fear that we had, and that is why we came to court. Then 4, on the issue of the affidavit, the authorization letter for this member of the Trinamool Congress has been filed with our wakalat. Mr. Raju could have asked his instructing lawyers to just check this. The authorization letter has been filed, and that authorization was given by a National Working Committee member of the party. And this person who has signed the affidavit is a member of the party. There is nothing, no great conspiracy
No
here.
knowledge, no
We
information.
all want to have free and fair elections. We find it suspect that our political strategist office was targeted in this way a few months before the assembly elections. I want to be clear. That is the fear
Our
here.
fear that money laundering
We
has
are not
been
here on the
shelter of money
scope
laundering
or
in
the
the guise of political
constitutionality.
election.
Don't interrupt me.
No,
We
I'm
are not
telling
here
you,
on the scope.
this has
Or
nothing
please
to do
mute
with-
yourself
nothing
then.
to do with- she's not
Please
admitting
mute
her
yourself.
penalty. She's not
Please mute
admitting her
yourself.
penalty.
All right, this is
You're admitting
unbecoming
her
conduct.
penalty.
And the
Our
next
case
time
is
you
the
want to,
state
as
gets
law
money
officer,
laundering. It did not
refer
want
to
the
a
money
sitting
laundering
chief
to surface
minister
upon the
by
guise of
her name,
elections.
give her the dignity of calling her the chief minister of a state, a multi-term chief minister. There is a certain decorum to be maintained in a courtroom, Mr. Raju. I want to be clear here. This is what I'm
Merely
on.
because you say there is
The
no decorum doesn't
affidavit
mean
has
there is
been
no decorum.
filed by a member of a political party, authorized. That letter of authorization has been filed with the Wakalatnama. That is on the record.
case is-
All we are here, if Mr. Raju is going on the record and saying that nothing has been seized, then please record that statement. We then believe that maybe political data was seized from our political
My statement
strategists,
may be
which
recorded.
is
Nothing has been
indicative to
seized
the
from-
assembly elections. That is all I'm here. If that statement has been made, our petition may be disposed of in those terms, that nothing has been seized. I'm grateful for my lady's patient hearing.
রাজু স্যার বলছে বলতে দাও না
Lord, may I just submit only one? I have been instructed to submit before your lordship.
You're appearing for?
Union of India, I am.
I will not
am
hear
submitting
so many
another-
counsels for the
I am
Union
not
of India. I'm
submitting a
extremely
single
sorry.
word. I am not submitting a single word, only the instruction. Which
No,
has
no,
come.
your ladyship, I'm sorry.
I am not saying
He has
anything.
made a statement that on my
But
statement
worry-
of the petition, nothing survives. Nothing survives. On my statement,
Counterpart.
Whatever argument Mr. Tiwari has met, he is
senior
adopting
advocate of the Supreme Court has made a statement that on my statement, the petition is
Cannot take
withdrawn, that
cognizance-
it is done.
court of Mr. What
I'm
is
sorry. I'm sorry, my lord, why is he interrupting in the middle of the statement? Now, on my statement, your
Sir,
ladyship may hear me. On my statement that we have not seized anything
instruction
from
I am
these
submitting.
premises, the
First will,
petition may be withdrawn as
please-
stated by the learned counsel for the petitioners. Let there be sanctity to what has been stated in the court. I have made my statement and I abide by my statement and let them abide by their statement that they're withdrawing the
Sir, kindly
petition.
be-
the other
Please,
one-
we are not withdrawing anything,
No, you
Mr.
said that.
Raju.
I'm sorry.
Please record. No,
I'm
I did
sorry.
not say that. Do
My
not put
You
words in
said
my
it.
mouth.
I'm so sorry.
My
Now,
lady,
on
please
hindsight,
record the
don't make a
statement
wrong
that
statement.
nothing
I'm
was
so
seized.
sorry.
And in those
It
terms,
just
it may
heard
be
her.
disposed of.
The
Mr.
lady
Raju
heard
obviously
her. She
does
said,
not know
"I'm
the
withdrawing if
difference
that statement is
between
made,
disposed
accepted."
of and withdrawal. I am
I'm sorry,
surprised.
I'll put it on affidavit. Let the proceedings be, let
I
the
would
recording of
request
the
all my
proceedings be
friends to
shown. He has
slightly
made a statement.
let Raju sir speak because he's wanting to make a last submission which may be of relevance.
How long? How long Mr. Raju will
How long will Mr. Raju submit?
How long Mr.
My
Raju?
submission
The
is
last
this.
submission will be
I have
of
made a
much
statement. Your
importance if
ladyship
my
may
lord wants
kindly
to take
see.
cognizance
I
of
have
that.
made a
That will be
statement
disposed
that
of on
we
last
have not seized anything from these two premises at the time of the search. On that statement, my colleague,
This is really.
Anika has said that she's withdrawing the petition. She has
I
made-
never said that,
she has
Mr.
made that
Raju.
statement.
I
That
never
statement
said
is
that. You
made,
are
and
having
therefore the
momentary
petitions do
amnesia.
not survive.
Yes,
Sorry.
you are having momentary
Petition.
amnesia.
No,
I
no,
never
don't
said
go
that.
back.
I
Don't go
said my
back.
lady
I'm
may
very
record
sorry.
your
She has
statement.
made
It
that
may be
statement.
disposed of. It
No.
may be disposed
may
of in those
adjourn the
terms.
matter
Disposed
today.
I
of.
am very
Doesn't matter.
surprised
It
you
is
don't know the
disposed of.
difference between disposed of and withdrawing.
Yes, it may be disposed of. I'm obliged. Let it be disposed of on my.
Very well. My lady
I'm
may please
obliged.
record that statement.
Yes,
Please record that statement that nothing was seized.
yes. my
And that
statement
the
will be recorded
ASJ is
and
making
the
that
disposed of
statement.
may also be recorded. I have no objection.
Sir, please make your submission now.
Why
My
now?
submission is,
He's been submitting for
I
an
am
hour and
on
a half.
instructions
No, no.
that
This-
nothing has been seized
let me.
on these two premises, the residence of Pratik Jain and IPAC on the date of the search, that is 8th of January 26. Nothing, no record, no digital device has been seized. And on that statement, the statement of the petitioner's counsel is the petition may be disposed of in view of that statement. I am obliged. Let the matter be
That is
disposed.
what
but
I
am
was
obliged.
trying to impress upon my lord, that here, Mr. Raju, just for the, because that can be of very much importance for this honorable court, my lord.
You cannot, are you differing with Mr. Raju?
My lord.
Are you differing with Mr.
No,
Raju?
yes, my lord, I am appearing in adherence.
Sir, of the-
Yes, my lord, yes, whatever
The
Mr. Raju is saying.
that nothing has been seized by the ED.
Well,
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, I am making a statement. ED officers are with me. I am making a statement. Mr. Trivedi, it's all right.
Please record that statement, my lady. We'd be grateful.
Nothing has
Please
been
record his
seized
statement.
on 8th of January from these two premises in the raid, and all whatever was taken into possession has been taken away by Mamata Banerjee.
This is in consonance.
So it says that nothing was seized from the premises.
By the ED, by the ED.
We are not able to.
By ED, only to assist your lordship.
And everything was taken away by Mamata Banerjee.
Yes, this is the search and seizure.
The punch number also says that nothing was seized.
Yes,
Record that. and
Yes,
disclose it also.
yes.
What is shit of my lord? This is the reason why I said it will take 1 minute.
See, the clock has also stopped.
Time has stood still, my lady, in this courtroom today. We've had causeless read out multiple times.
You add some- yes.
I am appearing on, in
The
the
second matter,
second matter.
which
so
is
but-
being adjourned.
So yes, there is I have submissions. My submission is this, Milord. Firstly, Milord, I am appearing on behalf of Mamata
Mr.
Banerjee.
Bhatt, will you give me 2 minutes? Let me finish up the first matter.
No
Finish up the
problem.
first matter.
I
And
don't
then
have.
we'll get back to
I
you.
don't have
I'll
it.
get back to you.
Give your blessing.
My lord will kindly dictate it on the
ভাই,
mic. well.
তোর-
Just
তোদের
now,
হাত জোর
yes.
করছি ভাই
Yes.
তোদের হাত সেন্ট্রাল গভর্নমেন্টকে হাত জোর
Outside the court, Hanju, not in court.
Yes.
appearing on behalf of Mamata
Mr. Bhatt,
Banerjee.
will you give me 2 minutes? Let me finish up the first matter.
No
Finish up the
problem.
first matter.
I
And
don't
then
have.
we'll get back to
I
you.
don't have
I'll
it.
get back to you.
Give your blessing.
My lord will kindly dictate it on the
ভাই
mic. well.
Just
তোদের
now,
হাত জোর
yes.
করছি ভাই
Yes.
তোদের হাত সেন্ট্রাল গভর্নমেন্টকে হাত জোর
Outside the court, Hanju, not in court. Heard learned counsels for the parties. The only prayer of the petitioner in the writ petition is for preservation of the political confidential data and protection of the same from being circulated or divulged to any entity at the behest of the second and third respondents. Paragraph. The other prayers in the writ petition are not pressed by the petitioners. Paragraph. Learned counsel for the respondents submits, comma, on instructions, comma, that nothing whatsoever was seized from the two premises in question by the authority.
On the search made on 8th of January 26.
Pursuant to the search,
Search is made. Search is made.
2026.
And whatever was seized by Mamata Banerjee. That is my statement.
Is copies of the Panchnamas drawn up by the Enforcement Directorate.
Milord, we are
At
not
the
sure. It
two
was submitted
places
by
of-
Mr. Ganguly.
Pro forma respondent. I have recorded that. Pro forma respondent. Yes. কি বলে? Panchnamas drawn up at the places of alleged search and seizure, which demonstrate that nothing was seized from either the office of the pro forma respondent or the residence of, he's the, what is his designation?
Pratik Jain is the probably director.
The
Director
residence of the director of the
IPAC.
of respondent 4, director of respondent 4. One of the directors of respondent 4.
in view of such submission made on behalf of the respondents, comma, nothing further remains to be dealt with in the present application. Stop, the same is accordingly disposed of.
Grateful, my lord.
May I
I'm
only
so
submit
grateful,
one
my
thing? Your
lord.
Lordship?
Very
May I only
grateful.
submit one thing? My statement that whatever was there was seized by Mamata Banerjee may also be recorded. My statement that whatever seized was seized by
It's my
Mamata Banerjee.
petition, my lady.
Yes,
Why is he
that
trying
is
to
what
dictate
Mamata
the
Banerjee
order?
said.
She's
That
not,
is
the
record.
chief minister is not a party here.
Doesn't matter.
So
My statement may be recorded in full, your ladyship. Why part recording of my statement?
This is
My
not some
statement is we have
political
not seized
theatre.
whatever is seized by Mamata Banerjee. Therefore, Trinamool Congress will have to file a
Your
case against Mamata
petition number
Banerjee.
2 is there. You argue all this there, Mr. Raju.
That is different. This is a different petition. You have said that it's a
Same
different
petition,
petition.
Mr.
Not there.
Raju,
You're not a
two
party in
side.
Trinamool. You're not a party in
Please
that.
argue this there.
address.
ওর সাথে add করুন, and no data backup was taken.
Grateful.
Grateful. Very grateful.
Yes, now,
Now,
My
my-
lady, very grateful. Thank you for your time.
Yes,
I'm
grateful, my lord.
adjourning the second
I'm
matter.
I'm obliged to your ladyship for a
Just,
I'm obliged to your ladyship for a patient hearing.
just 3 minutes,
For a-
and I will request your lordships, if your lordships just consider that any of my submission is recorded, my lord, that's all.
I'm
Nothing more.
simply adjourning the matter, Mr. Bandopadhyay, so you can.
What,
come back on the
no,
case.
what, just minute.
May I only submit this, your ladyship?
That's,
Your
that's,
ladyship,
my lord, kindly say
thankful
the
for
hearing is in
I'm thankful for a patient hearing,
Hearing-
your ladyship.
progress. Matter is
My lady,
adjourned.
here all, I join Mr. Raju also. We are both
Hearing is
thankful for a
progress.
patient hearing.
The
Right.
Supreme Court is in session of.
No,
the matter.
I am coming. That is the reason I am coming. Exactly, I want to say this thing. But firstly, let me very much clear myself that I am appearing on behalf of the chairperson of the All India Trinamool Congress, Mamata Banerjee, not the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. He is the chairperson of, they have wrongly.
In which matter my learned friend is appearing?
What
I'm
is
sorry,
that?
which matter are you
Please
appearing in?
don't interfere.
I want to know which matter
don't
you are appearing.
interfere.
I'm not interfering, I'm only asking.
এ কি গো, সব সময়তে
Patient, patience.
I should know which matter. Is there a matter pending?
See, this petition was on 9th in the morning. It was leave
This
was
is not disposed of. Is he arguing a disposed of matter?
Presenting 3, 4, and 5. You're appearing?
State and the
officers.
So that's 3, 4, and 5.
Yes, yes.
The
Say
CBI
4 and 5, we have no notice.
আরে ভাই আমাকে একটু বলতে
Since he's asking for an adjournment, let me
Yes.
adjourn the matter for some time.
My lord, but yeah, lordships can adjourn, but I am submitting only that hearing of the petition 2 is also commenced. That's I am saying, submitting. Initially, I have said if item 2 hearing has been commenced. I am nothing I am saying. Then the map, because of the paucity of time, matter is adjourned. That's not.
I
No, I am just suggesting.
Technicality.
Manoj, I am just
that's fine.
Milord, I am just,
Have anything
Milord,
else?
I am just suggesting.
Item 2, Trinamool Congress is not a party, is appearing for whom in number 2?
Milord, this is very important. Why I am saying. Why I am
He has,
saying.
he has no locus, is appearing for whom? You are appearing for whom, Mr. Bandyopadhyay? You are appearing for
Has
whom?
been given by the ED to the court, to this court. Therefore, my lord, kindly see paragraph 12.
Atmosphere, here the matter,
कौन
in
सा?
High Court, therefore we are before. the
Page
court.
N.
This is.
They
incorrect.
kindly see. Joseph को दो. कौन कौन से?
I made that
Left
statement.
hand side page top. 17, 18, 19.
Milord 17, kindly see. May I read it? The Petitioner Enforcement Directorate had approached the Honorable High Court by filing a petition on Article 226 of the Constitution of India. However, before the matter could be taken up by the High Court, enormous disturbance was created inside the courtrooms, organized through a WhatsApp group by supporters and sympathizers of the ruling party of West Bengal.
Order, nothing else. They have recorded my, this is. my
No,
order.
that's right. Milord, this is allegation
There's
that
no locus. Trinamool Congress is not a party.
aforesaid fact is also evident from the order.
Why is
dated
he
9th
allowed to
January.
even argue?
What is this?
Yes, what is this? I should ask you. I should ask you. The court has said the matter is being adjourned. How can you argue even if you are not a party? How can you argue even if you are not a party? Have you filed an impleadment application? Have you filed an impleadment application?
The proceeding is being live.
Maybe, Milord, when the
And you are-
Trinamool Congress is not a party in the second matter. He has no
what I
locus
am
to address the
submitting,
court.
when
Taking
the
advantage.
matter will be going on in the Supreme Court, that the honorable judges of the Supreme Court will not look into the video. They will go only.
How he can say what the Supreme Court judges will do? Who is it to say what the Supreme Court judges do or not? Recently, we
Heard-
played some videos
I
before
am
the
also
Supreme Court.
My observation
In
that.
two matter, Umar Khalid, we played videos, number of videos. In PFI matter, we played videos. How is he making statement what the Supreme Court judges will do or not?
Therefore,
How is it
therefore,
such
Milord, therefore,
such
if
thing?
the ground has been
I
taken,
strongly object to
my lord,
subsequent-
at least, Milord, this is my
what the Supreme Court will do. They will ask my
adjournment
learned
has
friend
been
and
sought
do.
for by them.
What nonsense.
Kindly record to that extent, adjournment has been sought for by them.
He is not a party. Trinamool Congress is not a party. It should not be heard. I do not know why he is being given this leniency.
On the ground that the Enforcement Directorate has filed SLP, Special Leave Petition, before the Honorable Supreme Court. And with prayers which are almost identical to that of the present application. Stop, the Honorable Supreme Court is in session of the matter. Paragraph in view of the above, comma. The matter is adjourned. Liberty to mention after the matter before the Honorable Supreme Court is disposed of.
Will be responded.
Grateful, I'm
Milord,
I'm obliged for a page, your ladyship.
want to proceed with the matter, kindly record that, Milord. Milord, we are willing
He's
to.
not a party, he's not a party. How can he proceed upon a non-party can proceed appearing for whom?
No substance.
The respondents
Learned additional sources, general
Are ready
submission has
and
no
will
substance at all.
to proceed with the matter before
Of
this.
course, you are the one who decides what has to be done, what substance I have, what the Supreme
Really
Court.
very
can-
grateful, my lady, for such a
After-
patient
I'm
hearing.
grateful for patient hearing. I'm sorry I had to argue a little loudly because of the video disturbance. I'm grateful, I'm obliged.
I'm so grateful, my lady. Happy New Year to everyone.
21 ki 26 ago.
after is
Happy New Year, happy Sankranti.
disposed of. I mean, correct.
Yes, happy Sankranti, Mr. Raju. Let's not forget our own festivals. Yes, happy Sankranti.
I think it's a bit unnecessary.
Yes, all right.